Hello everybody, I'm Simha Leadership Bali. I'm 9 years old and today we have a very special guest. His name is Dr. Anand and he is currently from India but living in UK. So first of all, please introduce yourself, Dr. Anand.
Okay, well, it's lovely to be on your program and such a small little lady like you. And I'm sure your mummy and daddy are helping in the background because I heard another voice. It's fantastic. And I like your seat. It's so tidy and beautiful. It's the best one I've seen with lovely headphones. So basically, I was born in, in India, in Bihar. But within a year, we moved to Patna, the capital of Bihar. I did all my schooling in Catholic schools because the education at that time, not now, was better. So my English started then. In fact, my Hindi wasn't so good. तो यहाँ आकर के हमने हिंदी अपनी अच्छी की यूके में आकर के तो उसके बाद I went to St. Stephen's to do physics. I didn't like it. Came back to Patna, did medicine, and I enjoyed medicine. Got married, had children. Came to the UK in 1978. And I quickly realized I wanted to be in the community, not in the hospital, because I liked people, I liked exchanging with human beings. And I had a very successful practice until 12 years ago, roughly. Then 15 years I was on radio, Spice FM as a broadcaster. And the last 5 years I've been a politician. And on the 2nd May this year, after 3 failed attempts, I won the Conservative seat after 32 years. So now I'm a politician. There you are.
Wow, that's great. And so today I'm going to ask you some few questions. So are
Yes,
you ready for this?
please do ask any question.
Yeah, so my first question is what is the worst thing being an adult?
In being an adult,
Yeah.
the worst thing is growing up. I feel we shouldn't grow up. We should think like you, innocent like a child, and be kind like a child, and forgive like a child. You know, there's a Hindi song, "Bacche man ke sacche." बहुत beautiful song है इसको देखिएगा YouTube में. It's true because as we grow up, we bring ism. वो मुसलमान है, मैं हिंदू हूँ. वो लड़की है, मैं लड़का हूँ. वो पाकिस्तानी है, मैं इंडियन हूँ. ये सब बकवास है. And I think the more innocent we are, there'll be less war, less competition. So we compete too much because we always think, "Mera koi le raha hai, somebody's taking my food away." There's enough food on the planet, but we make it bad. So please never grow up. Stay as you are, Salva.
Thank you. And what was the worst thing being a kid?
Being a what?
Being a kid when you were little, what was the worst thing being kid?
Being sick, bimar,
Kid.
or being a
What's
kid.
up?
Being a kid, the worst thing is everyone is telling you what to do. You don't have freedom. ये मत करो, उधर मत देखो, ये मत करो. No, you see, a child is innocent, so he can run or she can run in front of a bus and get killed. That I understand. But our parents, in the desire to protect us, stop us from growing. ये मत करो, लड़की हो, उधर मत देखो, लड़का हो, ये क्या कर रहे हो, लड़का हो, रो क्यों रहे हो, मर्द हो, मुझ की लड़ाई, ये सब बकवास है. God has made us perfect, and we should remain as childlike as possible. I'm very childlike. I'm 77 years old, but I'll ask the most unusual questions, and people get shocked. But it works for me. For me, it works. Humor, laughing, joking, being happy is a very childlike. Although people don't understand the beauty of being a child. If a child sees someone fat, they say, "Mummy, fat man." They just say it. But we can see it, but can't say it. So it's kids should be allowed to grow as much naturally as possible, like you are growing. Like Rehan Wala Sahab has given you a laptop and a smartphone. You learn. Children are hungry for knowledge. They always want to learn, but we stop them. You're a Sunni, don't look at the Shia. You're a Brahmin, don't look at the Shudra. You're a Bengali, don't look at the Punjabi. We teach people. You're an Indian, don't look at the English. I'm here, happy. I'm in England. I'm still brown. I haven't become white. जब मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ तो हिंदी बोलता हूँ. When I speak in English, I speak in English. Abhi, I'm wearing these clothes because I'm going out. But if there's an Indian, Pakistani, Bengali wedding, I'll wear apne kapde.
Yeah. So, um, do you like jokes?
Say again, your volume is not very high. Say that again loudly.
Do you like jokes? Would you
Yes,
say?
yes, yes. I think life is a joke. God plays jokes with us. So whenever I'm in trouble, I say to God, "Ye kya kar rahe ho, bhai?" I mentally talk. Obviously, I don't have access to God. I'm not a very holy man or anything. But jokes, yes, because jokes make us light-hearted. And in a funny way, you can say so many serious things, and people will laugh and they'll say, "Arey, he's right." So basically, I think jokes or humor is very important to feel light. I watch all the funny shows from Pakistan and India, and I laugh a lot. The more you laugh, the happier you'll be.
In that case, I got one joke.
Tell me. Now the sound is
Okay,
perfect. बोलिए बोलिए बताइए.
yeah. So there was a wife and a husband. They both were going to the doctor. The doctor said, your husband needs rest and peace, so I'm giving you some sleeping pills. The wife says, when should I give my husband the sleeping pills? The doctor said, this is not for your husband, this is for
This is
you.
for you to take. Good, good joke, good joke. Yes, I'll remember that one. Mm. No, we
Okay.
see children will laugh at the same joke again and again and again. For us, I know that joke. Don't tell me. But खुश रहना सीखो ना. Start laughing. Start being funny. Cartoons. Cartoons are there because they show the funny side of things. So I think jokes, witticisms, cartoons are very good because they make light. Otherwise, the world is a tough place. You can be watching all the battles going on in the world. Why make yourself miserable? We can't stop it. We can't grow it. I try to watch as little news. I just read the headline and that's it. I'm very interested in people's lives. So I watch a lot of biographies and science topics and arts and music. I understand music quite a lot. I'll show you. That's my tanpura. That I've got a harmonium down there. Behind there's a keyboard. I've got a Hawaiian guitar. I like music. So if you do music, if you sing, you don't sing for others. Just sing. अकेले में गा रहे हैं कोई सुन नहीं रहा गा रहे हैं not singing because you'll earn money. Okay, that's fine. But I sing a lot. I play the flute. I've got lots of flutes down there, Masri. And having fun is important. If you're not harming anybody, so only a year ago I got a drone and you have to get a license and all that. So constant learning. Nai baatein. How do other people live? Not just how we are in my city, my town, my family. How do children in Japan live? In Japan, there's two words, I've forgotten the words. People go into the toilet and clean it without telling anyone. That is beautiful, isn't it? Because they're serving the nation and not showing off. Oh, I cleaned the toilet. I'm such a holy man. No. Quietly help somebody without telling anyone. That is true charity. So, from every culture we learn. Every culture has something good to teach me. Every religion has something good to teach me. Everyone.
Yeah. And by the way, do you want to see my song I just made?
Please,
Okay.
definitely. Wonderful.
Yeah. Um. Wait. Let me just share my screen and
Mhm.
I will just show you.
All right. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
My God. You're so clever.
Thank you. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it has come up.
And I also meted the president, Dr. Atif Alvi.
Do you know I've spoken to his wife? When
Really?
when COVID was on, my friend who is a breast surgeon, we did a show on breast cancer awareness for Pakistan, sitting in Newcastle. And Mrs. Alvi came on the show. Which city are you in? Where do you live?
I'm in Pakistan, Muzaffarabad, Azad Kashmir.
Oh, okay. That'll be a bit far, but I might be coming in autumn to Karachi.
Maybe we and my mama were talking about to go in Karachi. Maybe we can meet there in
Yes, it'll be
October.
lovely because the Korangi school of Rehana Lawalas. You'll be visiting there. I'll be visiting there. Lovely, beautiful,
Okay.
very good. You know, your world is very small. You know, you're connected all over the world at just 9. So you'll grow very, very rapidly, and you'll have the hunger to learn. If you're learning every day something, new people, new ideas, new way of looking at things, you'll be very clever.
You
Fantastic.
know this little kid? You know this little kid?
How old is he?
She.
She. How old is she?
She is 3 years old, and
Oh my
she's my
God.
sister. She is my sister. She is 3 year
Wow.
old. She wants to
Wow.
do the same thing that I'm doing in the age 3.
Wow. So you're her teacher. You're her inspiration.
Yeah, actually I'm having my own classes. I pay. They give me 500 rupees. I teach my students how to conduct interviews with Colony, and how to build their confidence more so that they can be like me. And I just love to uh, say them, love to teach them very much. So here's my song.
You're teaching. You're a teacher, and you're paid to be a teacher.
Yeah, and like they give me 500 rupees, not daily. 2 sessions are free,
Wow.
and the another one 500. Yeah,
Wow. Wow. Many congratulations. Badhaiyan. Fantastic. You're wonderful.
thank you.
Wow, you're
And here's
wonderful.
my song. मैं हूँ सलाल लीडरशिप वाली, और मैं आई हूँ दुनिया को बचाने, ख्वाबों की रोशनी दिल में जज्बा। मैं हूँ उम्मीद की करन तुम सबके लिए फिर सलुआ सलुआ क़यादत वाली, रास्ता दिखा रही हर एक के लिए। हम साथ चलेंगे, हम साथ बढ़ेंगे, दुनिया को बदलेंगे हर कदम के साथ। हर कदम के साथ। अंधेरों को मिटाने हम आते हैं, नई उम्मीदों का चराग जलाते हैं। हौसले की ताकत, इल्म की रोशनी, हम साथ मिलकर सब कुछ पा लेते हैं। सलुआ सलुआ क़यादत वाली, रास्ता दिखा रही हर एक के लिए। हम साथ चलेंगे, हम साथ बढ़ेंगे, दुनिया को बदलेंगे हर कदम के साथ। देखो ये नज़ारा हम सबके लिए है, मुस्तक़बिल हमारे हाथों में, हम सब साथ हैं। सलुआ सलुआ क़यादत वाली, रास्ता दिखा रही हर एक के लिए। हम साथ चलेंगे, हम साथ बढ़ेंगे, दुनिया को बदलेंगे हर कदम के साथ। मैं हूँ सलाह लीडरशिप वाली, और मैं आई हूँ दुनिया को बचाने। हम साथ मिलकर फतह की तरफ बढ़े, उम्मीद की रोशनी में हम सब जिए। हर कदम के साथ। मैं हूँ सलाह लीडरशिप वाली, और मैं आई हूँ दुनिया को बचाने। हम साथ मिलकर फतह की तरफ बढ़े, उम्मीद की रोशनी में हम सब जिए।
Wow. Wow. A salute to your mummy as well, and daddy, and your little sister as well. बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे. I love music, and you made a song at this age. I'm very impressed. I'm very, 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 very impressed. Very.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I like the way you repeat your own name. Salva, Salva. हाँ, डरने का क्या है भाई? People will say अपना नाम ना बोलो. क्यों नहीं बोलेंगे भाई? करेंगे तो बोलेंगे ना. Very good, very nice. Do you want to see a
Thank you.
picture? I'll show you a picture. That
Yeah.
is my mother and me. Can you see that
You
picture?
made it?
No, it's a photograph.
Oh, okay.
I'm 2 years old and my mother is my mother. So when I was exactly 2 years old on 14th October 1948. So that's a picture, very famous picture. My father was very interested in photography. So I got old pictures. When I was 2 days old, I've got a picture. And in my time, cameras were rare. So you know what you're doing now, you'll enjoy it as you get older. And your children will say, अरे मेरी मम्मी कितनी होशियार है भाई, 8-9 साल में गाना गाती थी. सोच लो जरा. Very good, very nice.
I don't want to get married. I don't
Well,
want to get
it's
married.
up to you. One day you might not, but it's your choice. You're the boss. Remember that. You're the boss of your life.
Yeah. And do you know how to play the flute? The thingy?
Yes, I know how to play the flute.
Oh my God.
So that's the flute. I taught myself, there's an instrument called banjo, which they use in Qawwali. Ding 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 ding. That one. That's very cheap. So I got one, taught myself. My friend's brother showed me a little bit. Then I made my own guitar with the banjo, playing with the bar, and made my own amplifier. And then it was too heavy to carry to Delhi, so I taught myself to play the flute. And now I don't play, I actually sing. Singing is most important because you're born with this musical instrument called voice. Hai na? Nobody is born with guitar in the hand. That is artificial. Instruments are nakli voice. Asli voice, ऊपर वाले अल्लाह ने जो दिया आपको गले के अंदर. And you should sing, not because people need to listen. You feel better. You get released tension. Some songs want to make you cry. Some make you laugh. Some make you feel strong. But music is very powerful because music is performed on the spot. When you make a painting, while the artist is making the painting, it's very attractive. Like whoever made that painting, Krishna. While they were making it, they were feeling very good. But once it's made, it's finished. A movie, once you made the movie, it's finished. But when you're acting in a drama and people are watching, that is real interaction. So I've gone to Shakespeare Theatre in down south and watched them. It's very powerful, You feel the feeling. When you go to cinema and you start seeing something where a child is not treated well, you get tears in your eyes. You empathize. You feel for them. हमदर्दी बोलते ना, दूसरे के दर्द को महसूस करना. So yeah, so arts is very important. But I still like your song, Salva, Salva.
Thank you. And I still have a dream to do sketching, and literally I'm like drawing some things, and I don't think I'm getting good, but I try a lot.
Doesn't matter. No. Results don't matter. You are expressing yourself. What's inside you is coming out. Otherwise, you feel frustrated. I can't say this. I can't paint that. So, becoming an artist is another matter. That's earning money through it. But if you are painting, if you are drawing, if you are teaching, you are expressing Salva, the qualities in you. And you say leadership wali. If you have started at 9, you already gained a lot of foothold. You're already worried. Who's that little one? Hello. Bhagi. क्या नाम है इसका?
इसका नाम परीशा.
परीशा.
Say hello.
Oh, she's so cute. Oh,
She's eating lollipop.
lollipop खा रही है.
And this is Zaira. Come here. Come here. Come here. She's eating lollipop too. Come here.
I can't see her. Bring her in the picture. 3 lollipop ladies. Oh, no, one doesn't.
I have one too.
Oh, right. So give it to me.
Here you go.
Thank you. Very nice family. Lovely.
And my mom is over there.
हाँ, मम को भी हेलो कह दो.
Wait, she's coming. Wait.
Mom.
Mummy, mummy. Okay. She's just coming. Wait. She is eating dinner right now.
Oh, जा खाने दो, खाने दो, खाने दो. अच्छा, अच्छा. It's afternoon, isn't it, in Kashmir?
Afternoon? Yeah, it is.
1 o'clock.
Yeah, 1:16 a.m.
1:20. 1:20 it is. Roughly. ठीक है.
Yeah.
So this is the school you attend. Do you go to another school?
No, I just go to a school, and I have summer vacation right now. I attend one more school, Rehan School Online Academy.
So that's Rehan. But do you go to another school apart from Rehan Academy?
No.
So this is all the learning you're doing, self-teaching you're doing, isn't it?
Yeah.
By going on TED Talk, talking to Dr. Anand, talking to this one, talking to that one. And that's why, you see, school is there not to teach, is to give you the hunger to learn more and more. So my school was very good. My Catholic school was good because I used to make radio, I used to play, I used to have baby squirrel, छोटे छोटे, और उनको ड्रॉपर से दूध पिलाते थे when I was your age. Unfortunately, sometimes you give too much. We used to look after birds. We used to catch frogs' eggs and wait for them to become tadpole, to become a frog. So you learn, you know. I used to do photography and do enlargement, all those kind of exciting things, you know. As a child, you learn, you know. You learn to learn. Otherwise, school will give you facts. On Google, every fact is there. You go on a smartphone, anything you want to learn, patak. What is the capital of China, Japan, India, tuck, 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 tuck. But those are just facts. But to learn about people and culture, you have to have that hunger, wo bhook. Just like people have hunger for lollipop, you have to have a hunger for knowledge.
Yeah. And what was your biggest challenge in your life? What was?
Oh, I have always got challenges. Some of them I can't say, you're too young to learn. I lost a son who killed himself. The newspapers here, because I'm Indian and because I'm very loud, they came and falsely accused me. And you can't win. If the newspaper goes against you, you're too small. You just say, ठीक है. You just जो करना हो कर लो. मेरा कुछ नहीं बिगड़ेगा. See, as long as you don't take the pain in, if people say you're bad and you believe that, you suffer. People can say what they want. है ना गाना? कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, वगैरह वगैरह. लोग का काम है कहना, वो कहने दो. और ऐसे भी कहते हैं, हाथी चले बाजार, कुत्ते भौंके हजार. So, you know, there'll be people jealous of you. अरे क्या समझती है अपने को, छोटी सी है, पैसे कमा रही है. अरे है ना? So, if you're not doing any harm to people and if you're comfortable with your God, बस बाकी तो दुनिया जिंदाबाद. So I'm a bit like you. Unless I'm hurting somebody, I'll just do it. And
Yeah.
people get jealous. बन जाओ jealous, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So like I said, never grow up. Stay like baby Salva. Young and bright and happy and cheerful and telling jokes about sleeping tablets. Give it to the world.
Yeah. So, if there's a boy in my school, so he says to every girl that girls cannot play cricket or these all things and these and fla fla fla. So
That boy
do
is
I?
old man. Oh, बुढ़ा हो गया. वो लड़का अभी बचपन से ही भी बूढ़ा पैदा हो गया, उसको एक नकली दाढ़ी लगा दो, एक टोपी लगा दो, कहो बैठो मौलवी साहब, मैं जा रही हूँ क्रिकेट खेलने. Why can't girls play cricket? Why can't
How
they?
could
Of
I
course
know?
they can. Of course they can. In Newcastle, there is a women's football team. In India and Pakistan, there are women's cricket teams. लेकिन वो बुढ़े को उसको उसका नाम रख दो बुढ़ा. मैं का करूँ राम मुझे बुढ़ा मिल गया. My God. At this tiny age, he already decided. उसको क्या तकलीफ है भाई, लड़कियां खेलती हैं तो तैनों की तकलीफ है भाई. Let them play. They're not doing anyhow. उनको डर है कि they might be better. हो सकता है he's scared that he'll lose. So form a girls team and say खेल के दिखा बेटा.
You know, there was I was in a different house, not this one, another one. There was a neighbor who said always that you cannot play cricket. So I said, just give me one turn and I will show you who can play cricket more. I did it, and literally the ball came, and his nose was broken.
Well done. It is no
And it was
crooked.
a hard ball.
उसका नाक टेढ़ा हो गया क्या?
Maybe.
गुड. आपका नाक क्यों टेढ़ा है? वो सलवा ने क्रिकेट खेला था. मेरा नाक विकेट था, मिडिल विकेट. नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. गर्ल्स कांट डू दिस, गर्ल्स बॉयज कांट डू दिस. See, in the old days when you had to hunt and gather, men are stronger, they have more muscle. ठीक है? So that was, men had the upper hand. Then industrial revolution came, machines came. Women can drive a tractor, women can go to field, they do, and they do. You've got taxi drivers here who are women in UK. You've got bus conductors, bus drivers who are women. क्या है, switch on off करना है. And now with artificial intelligence, वो तो और भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. In fact, women are calmer. They are more calm. They don't get excited very easily. So women will do better and better and better. Men are threatened. डरते हैं कि आगे ना बढ़ जाएं. पकड़ के रखो, दबा के रखो. But Salwa is a leadership wali. So Salwa is not going to listen to all that bakwas. And Salwa will crack jokes, and Salwa will laugh, and Salwa will earn 500 rupees. No, it's
Yeah.
very good what you're saying. No, ऐसा नहीं है. Men, women, हम लोग में फर्क है, but physical strength में. Mentally, women are just as good. Do you know that women's brains are 10% smaller in size? ठीक है? But the two parts of the brain के बीच का जो connection है, उनका बड़ा होता है. So they are like a smaller car but more efficient. I'm speaking to you on my iPad. I might have a big desktop, but that is like a भैंस, बड़ा but slow. ये तो हिरन जैसा, छोटा but. So size doesn't matter, it's what's inside.
Yeah. You know,
And with
see, my teachers tell me that if you have a coin, you see the front side, not the back side. So you should see what is happening in the back side too.
yes, we should look at all sides of life. And that boy, maybe his father said, अरे लड़कियां क्या क्रिकेट खेलेंगी. बस सुन लिया, बस उसके कान में घुस गया. It's not his thought. He's a victim of somebody else's thinking. मैंने क्या क्रिकेट खेलने में क्या, बैट पकड़ना, बॉल पकड़ना, क्या लड़कियों को 5 उंगली नहीं होते, लड़कियों को टांग दौड़ नहीं होते, लड़कियां दौड़ नहीं सकती, लड़कियां कांट प्ले क्रिकेट. बुढ़ा, क्या करूं राम मुझे बुढ़ा मिल गया.
So you know, something also happened me in the, and it was my sports gala. All right. So there was another boy who said that you can't win, and flam flam flam, all right, something like that. So you know, once we played the game of race, my teacher already know that I was the best player in race. So she picked the race for me. And the boy who said that you can win, he didn't know that I can beat everybody in race. So I did a race, and you should have looked his face. He was like crying, and I saw the medal. He had the trophy, and he was like fifth. I was the first one. I draw the trophy, and I said, "Who is the winner now, huh?"
अब बता. ने बेचारा नहीं, you shouldn't compete with people. आप अपना grow करो ना भाई. And maybe that boy is good in other fields. Maybe he can tell jokes but has never tried. Maybe he can be a painter but never tried. वो लड़कियों का काम है. Maybe he can do dance. Maybe he's a good dancer. नहीं मैं लड़का हूँ, मैं dance कैसे करूँगा? Well, maybe he's talented. He might have talents that he doesn't know, but because his mind is telling ये मत करो, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Try करो ना भाई. My basic rule is if you're not harming anybody and it makes you feel good, do it. किसी को तकलीफ ना दो जहां तक हो सके. लेकिन अब बुढ़ा हारा तो फिर आप हंसेंगी तो उसको तो तकलीफ होनी है.
Yeah, and now sometimes when he's struggling in English, so when my teacher made me the English monitor here, so I really helped him very much to speak and these and that. I just did it, and if he said that girls can win, and then he will know what will I do.
So he got his punishment by you becoming his teacher. बेचारा. You're a big
One
threat
word
to...
in
बोलो.
one word in Urdu. Speak in English.
So how long have you been speaking in English? Because it's not, most children in Pakistan don't speak English. In fact, most grown-ups don't speak English like you. Many anchors' English is very poor. They will say, इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर. अरे प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं भाई, प्लेटफॉर्म होता है.
Platform.
हाँ, बहुत आप देखिएगा, अब इंडिया पाकिस्तान के एंकर लोग वो अजीब सी उर्दू बोलते हैं. जनवरी, फरवरी. भाई जनवरी होता है, फेब्रुवरी होता है. एंड उल्टा भी देखिए, भारत में एक नदी जिसका नाम है गंगा, उसको गैंजेस बना डाला. अरे गंगा बोलने में क्या तकलीफ है? गैंजेस. कानपुर ने कानपुर.
American and British.
Well, they see, we can't talk like them, but they can't talk like us either. यहाँ भी पाकिस्तानी बच्चे हैं ना, ऐसे बोलो, घोड़ा सड़क पर फड़क फड़क दौड़ता है. घोड़ा सड़क पे फड़क फड़क दौड़ता है.
Yeah.
तो
And
ठीक है. So when are you coming to Britain?
sorry,
When are you coming to England?
England. I don't know.
Okay, if you come, I'll come.
Maybe when
Go on. Maybe when.
maybe when I will make more money then.
Inshallah. May God give you lots and lots and lots and lots of money so you can do what you want and help children. You know, children should watch this kind of program. Adults should watch. Ki bhai, she's only 9 years old. आजाद कश्मीर में बैठी है, फटाफट अंग्रेजी बोल रही है. I will show this to my friends in Pakistan Cultural Society. कि देखो 9 साल की बच्ची टीचर भी बनी, पैसे भी कमा लेती है, क्रिकेट भी खेलती है, दौड़ जाती भी है. That's why I'm really impressed with you that nobody, and it's a tribute to your parents. My parents also, unless I was in danger, करने दो, गिरेगा क्या होगा, घुटना छिल जाएगा थोड़ा और क्या, but let him, साइकिल पर चढ़ने दो, चोट लगने दो, otherwise you never learn. ये मत देखना, उधर मत करो, ऐसे न खाओ, वैसे न खाओ. My sister, when she was 4, she used to go on the swing, jhula, and she used to hope she falls and breaks an arm so she can go to hospital. My own sister, 2 years younger to me. So all the women in my family are like that. They're all educated, they're all teachers, and they're all encouraging their children to do good. When I was 7 and my younger sister was 5, with a rickshaw, you know, pedal wala rickshaw, I used to take her to a dance school, and I used to watch her learning Bharatnatyam and the mridang going taka 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 taka. Sunte sunte itna bore ho gaya, I fell in love with classical music. Because the more you expose yourself to a new world, if you go to an arts gallery, exhibition, mela, the world is huge. Never mind going abroad. Where you live, the world is very big. How do these people live? What do they eat? इनके customs क्या हैं? ऐसा क्यों है? Not girls can't play cricket. खत्म बात. So it's lovely that you are so wide in your knowledge and your experience. at this young age.
Thank you. And you were asking that when did I start to speak in English? Actually, I started a little to speak in English in 3, and when I was 4, I speak proper English, and now I'm
How?
9.
Why did your parents become so interested कि उर्दू तो आप जानते ही हैं, you know Urdu. And Kashmiri you might understand a bit, Potawari and all that as well. लेकिन दुनिया अगर देखनी है तो इंग्लिश की जरूरत पड़ती है ना, है कि नहीं? To see the whole world, English is the common factor.
Yeah, but the first thing that my parents didn't do is that they didn't push me through this. That ये करो ही करो, you have to do this thing. उन्होंने कभी मुझे पुश नहीं कहा, पुश नहीं करा मुझे. जो उन्होंने चीज़ कही है, जो मैं कर सकती हूँ, वो उन्होंने मुझे किया. उस पे भी पुश नहीं किया कि आप ये करो ही करो और इस पे ही काम करती रहो.
So you found your own way.
Yeah.
आपको जो अच्छा लगा, जो आपको नेचुरल लगा, आप करते चले जा रहे हो.
हाँ, yeah. What I did, and what I didn't like, I didn't do. So
Chalo.
yeah.
And if you like hitting the ball in someone's nose, you did it.
Yeah, I did it.
Very good. Very, very, very good. बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे.
And yeah, so do you have, how many kids do you have, by the way?
I had 3 boys. I lost my youngest son. I have 2 boys. One is in Spain. One lives with me. He's upstairs playing some computer game, I think. So yes, I have
Okay.
3 boys. That's why I like girls so much. And God didn't give me a girl, and that's why I find girls very cute and nice, little girls, because I only have boys, and they grow up and they shave, and their voice becomes heavy, and they put brill cream in their hair, and they walk like that.
Like Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes.
And I'm sorry about your youngest
वो लिखा
son.
था, जो लिखा था बहुत मुश्किल हुई, लेकिन मेरा जो हिंदू टेम्पल का प्रीस्ट है वो बोला कि देखो जी, दुनिया में हम आते हैं तो पार्किंग टिकट होता है गाड़ी का ना, हमारा अलग अलग पार्किंग टिकट होता है. उसका पार्किंग टिकट छोटा था, आपका लंबा है. कितनी सिंपल बात बोली. And I got mental peace. So I'm okay. And you know the biggest fear humans have is death. बोलते नहीं है ना, लेकिन सबसे बड़ा फियर है मर जाएंगे. भाई सबका लिखा है मरना, बीच में कुछ कर लो भाई, मरने के पहले कुछ कर लो. मरना तो सबने है ना.
Yeah.
And because I'm very interested in new things, new people, new knowledge, new experience, new roles in life, that's why I'm not mentally growing old.
Yeah. Are you 53?
I'm 77.
What?
77. 77 साल मेरी एज है.
No way.
I've seen you shown the picture. इसको ठीक से अगर आप देखिएगा तो कोने में लिखा हुआ है 14/10/48. So if I was 2 years old then, so I'll be 78 in October. How old is your grandfather?
Actually, he passed away
Okay.
after my dad's marriage.
Okay. Grandma?
Grandma is still here. I don't know her age. Maybe she is 73. No, not 73. Maybe she is we
63?
could say, no, not 63. 69. maybe.
69.
Yeah.
So I'm 8 years older than your grandma.
Hmm.
5 years older than your grandpa would be. But you know, it's about keeping your mind occupied. अरे अब तो बुढ़े हो गए, झुक के चलो. Rubbish. I'm younger than I was 5 years ago. When I was campaigning, I used to do 22,000 steps in one day. So I did 1.5 million steps every year. 4 साल किया. 5 million steps कम से कम किए होंगे. But people know me. एक तो ऐसे ही मैं डॉक्टर था, ऐसे ही मैं बकते रहता हूँ, रेडियो पर था, इस पर था, मुझे पहचानते हैं, तभी तो जीता ना. I like human beings. If I get up in the morning, otherwise I'll watch television. I've got a big screen television. I haven't switched it on for 8 years. पड़ा हुआ है. टेलीविजन देखे क्या, हम तो खुद ही टेलीविजन भाई, मेरे को देखो ना. I'm the television. I'm the Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes, you are.
We all are, you know, we all are Shah Rukh Khans. We all are इमरान खान, वी आर ऑल ग्रेट पीपल. हमें पता नहीं क्या हमारी क्वालिटी है. इंडिया में एक स्कूल है, वैली स्कूल. आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट समथिंग आई लर्न 14 years ago. And I was talking to this gentleman. His son says, "Dad, the weekend I'll stay in my school." हम बोले कैसा बच्चा है, स्कूल में रहना चाहता है, पागल हो गया क्या? बोला, हम उससे पूछे why? He said, "My school has got a new microscope, and I want to be near it and see what flies' wings, butterflies' wings look like, butterflies' eyes look like." He was so excited because they had just got a good microscope. तो वो जो भूख है ना, the desire to learn, नई नई बातें, नई चीजें, ideas excite me all the time. I'm doing something like that. New ideas, new people, new contact. अभी आपसे 9 बजे, मेरा 9 बजे, आपका 1 बजे हुआ, फिर 10 बजे कोई और है, फिर 1 बजे कोई और है, आपका 1 बजे, 2 बजे, 3 बजे, and then I'll do things.
Yeah. So,
कोई जो पूछना हो पूछो भाई, जो कहना हो कह दो.
what is the skill? What is a skill you are proud of?
The desire to learn, the desire to be with people, the desire to mix with people. I'm a Hindu from India. I've been sitting 15 years in Pakistani Cultural Society. इसलिए उर्दू में बोलता हूँ जैसे उर्दू वाले बोलते हैं. मुश्किलात, तकल्लुफ, खैरियत, जरूरत. लेकिन जब मैं हिंदी बोलने वाले से हिंदी होता जरूरत बोलते हैं, नहीं तो उनको बुरा लग जाएगा. अरे उर्दू अल्फाज है भाई, उर्दू में बोलो ना. इंग्लिश है जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, नॉट अप्रैल. इट्स अप्रैल. अप्रैल बना दो.
Like April Fools.
हाँ, पहली तारीख को. I'm also very interested in Indian culture. By Indian, I don't mean India, Pakistan. I mean ancient India. I've been to Harappa. I'll go next time. I'll go to Takshashila. I'll go to Mohenjo-daro. You know, they found a lady skeleton in Rakhi Gadi about 10 years ago. And from her inner ear, they found DNA. DNA बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है. हमारा soil इतना है ना, गर्म भी है, moist भी है. Not like Egypt की dry soil है. And they found that Indians, मतलब हम लोग जो सारे हैं, by Indian I mean India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, we have been there from 9,000 years. हम बहुत पुराने चीज हैं भाई, बहुत ही पुराने. अब ये जो इंडिया पाकिस्तान डिवीजन ही तो फिर तो लाइन बनाया बाद में, इंसानों का बनाया हुआ. नेचुरली हम लोग इंडस वैली कल्चर के हैं. कश्मीर जहां से आप हैं, all the Hindu books were written in Kashmir. ऋग वेदा, उपनिषद, Rishi Kashyap. So if you go to ancient culture, we are one of the proudest culture that survives. Egypt का culture खत्म, Chinese culture खत्म, Mesopotamia खत्म, Babylon खत्म. All these are good old culture, but they are finished. Our culture, India, Pakistan, बात तो एक ही है ना. हम खाते पीते सब वही है, एक ही है. एक लाइन बना दिया. तो our culture is very ancient and we should be knowing it and be proud of it. I went, as I'm saying, हड़प्पा गए थे. I was very touched. वहाँ के रोड्स हमारे रोड से सीधे हैं, ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ ग्रिड वाला, अंडरग्राउंड ड्रेनेज, कुएं का पानी होता था घर के अंदर. पढ़िएगा इसको आप, इंडस वैली कल्चर, बिकॉज यू आर पार्ट ऑफ इट. पाकिस्तान तो भी नया, इंडिया पाकिस्तान तो भी नया नया बना ना, इंग्लिश लोग जब गए, लेकिन पुराना कल्चर हमारा है, बहुत ही पुराना. So I'm interested in that. Classical music I'm interested, yoga I'm interested. लेकिन मैं करता क्या हूँ, जब हम गाते थे तो I got a machine that measures brain frequency, and when you sing Salva Salva, your two halves of the brain match, the two sides. When I do yoga, you can measure heart rate changes, whether you're just doing breathing. And I've got a Fitbit that constantly measures my mental state. And I check, I think I can see if I have any tracings to show you. Yeah, here it is. This is first week. Oh, yeah, first week. Red means I'm upset, angry, jealous, whatever. You go into the next week and you can then see, oops. Yeah, yeah. Can you see how green it's become?
Yeah.
That shows mentally I'm more relaxed, more relaxed, more relaxed. Because a lot of people think happiness comes from outside. Happiness is just an attitude. You are happy. There are people with much more expensive cars. They go to school with somebody holding a gun. Very important hai. Lekin they're not happy like you. They're not creative like you. They're not earning like you. They can't speak
Yeah,
English.
because they have money, they think money is everything.
No. Money is like petrol. If you have a car and I say you can have any petrol, you say कहाँ जाएं? अंकल जी कहाँ जाएं? तो फिर उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है ना. I believe unless you're helping other people, you cannot be happy. And if you're interested in helping others, you forget your own illness. I don't have blood pressure, thyroid, this. I've only got thyroid problem. I only take one little tablet, and that's all. Otherwise, I'm in England, my skin is brown, so I need vitamin D. And anything to boost health. But medically, I'm only taking thyroid. At 78, किसी को diabetes है जी, और ये पेट इतना निकला हुआ है, डायबिटीज, और खाए जा रहे हैं, नमक डाले जा रहे हैं. भाई इंडिया पाकिस्तान में पसीना छूटता है, नमक आप खाते हैं उतना. यहाँ नमक की जरूरत ही नहीं है. आई डोंट ऐड सॉल्ट. वो सॉल्ट शेकर है पड़ा हुआ है. शुगर आई डोंट ऐड. किचन में आई गॉट हनी. इट्स नॉट कॉस्टली, यू नो. यू डोंट हैव टू हैव द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव. सो आई एम वेरी केयरफुल क्या खाते हैं, कितना सोते हैं, अच्छे लोगों से बात करते हैं. दैट्स यू एंड योर सिस्टर्स. 3 देवियां, 3 ladies. No, it's good because, you know, if you exchange ideas, you learn. Every human being has something to teach me. Every single human being. How did you swap left to right, right to left? अब आ गया. मेरे को चक्कर आ रहा था उधर, कैसे मैं चला गया. इसका कैमरा एक तरफ इधर है ना, कैमरा. So when you go the other way, I try looking the other way. Also, I try to make the head size the same. नहीं तो कोई बैठा हुआ है यहाँ पर, कोई एकदम बिल्कुल ऐसे करके बैठा हुआ है. So it looks funny. All these are little things, you know.
Yeah. You know, when my mom always tell me that don't look at the people's face, how they are, if they're ugly, but they're not. So you just don't have to see their faces. You have to see their personality too. That if someone is sitting like properly, the Facebook or profile photo is very gentle, good, and when we just see them, and we're taking their interview, and they're like this.
Also, women put pictures when they were 20 years old because they want to look pretty. Everybody jo hai so hai. If you're not self-conscious, people like you. I'll tell you another trick. Shall I teach you a trick?
Yeah.
How to engage with people deeply. Okay, your mama is right-handed. Okay, so when
Yes.
she had you in her arm, she would have you in her left arm.
I don't know.
Yeah, because she wants to keep the right hand free. गाड़ी में जाना है, हैंडल पकड़ना है, ये सामान वहां पहुंचाना है, टेबल पर पानी रखना है. So the right hand is kept free. So when she looks at the baby, she looks at the left eye of the baby. समझ रहे हैं? बेबी है ना, तो माँ का बॉडी भी बीच में आ जाता है. So if you look at the left eye of any human and talk to the left eye, you very quickly will get engaged. आपको नया
I'm
trick.
looking at your left eye. You're stuck.
हाँ, अब ठीक आ गया. So when you talk to people, look at their left eye and constantly. यहाँ मुश्किल है ना, यहाँ पर. They're not like that. Yeah. Otherwise, your eyes will go like that. Chaliye, good. It's fantastic talking to you, Salwa. I'm very impressed that you're so inquisitive. You have such a good command of English, and that you can hit people's noses with a cricket ball. क्या हो गया? अरे एक सलवा नाम की लड़की थी, क्या उसे झगड़ा हुआ? नहीं, क्रिकेट खेल रही थी। क्या 20 साल की थी? नहीं जी, छोटी सी थी, लेकिन बॉल ऐसा मारी, मेरा दाग अब चपटा हो गया। उसके यहाँ पर लिखा है सलवा हिट मी फॉर अ 6 बाउंड्री।
Yeah,
चलो,
and
गुड।
thank you for giving your time.
Not at all. Not at all. Thank you for giving your time. I've enjoyed the interview. I've laughed a lot more than many interviews. Okay. God bless you. And either tag me in or send me the link, whatever. Okay?
All right. So I will of course tag you, and we will talk more. And I will. And if you come, please come to here in Azad Kashmir if you like. If you like, come in here and meet me.
I will
Meet
do my
me.
best. I
Okay.
promise to do my best. Okay?
Okay.
God bless you. Alvida. Bye bye.
Bye bye.